Hello, and welcome to Dingus How-Tos. In today's episode, we'll be making a birdhouse. Here's what you'll need for this project: a wooden board, a dowel, a saw, a drill with drill bits and a hole saw, wood glue, a hammer and nails, sandpaper, and paint and a paintbrush. Now, let's grab our wood and cut out the pieces that we need. Excellent. Now that we have our pieces, it's time to glue it in place and nail it together. Great job! Now, let's add a perch and an entrance for our feathery little friends. Looking great. Now, let's sand down all those rough spots. You've made it this far, and you're doing a super job. Lastly, let's paint our birdhouse. There you go. Beautiful. When you're done, it should look something like this. That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on another Dingus How-Tos.